Farfalloni amoroso, notte giorno di torno tirano, delle belle turbando al riposo, Narcisetto Atoncino d'amor. Delle belle turbando al riposo, Narcisetto Atoncino d'amor. Non più avrai questi bei canacchini, quel cappello leggero galante, quella chioma, quell'aria brillante, quel vermiglio d'onesco color, quel vermiglio d'onesco color. Non più avrai quei pennacchini, quel cappello, quella chioma, quell'aria brillante. Non chiudrai farfalloni amoroso, notte e giorno di torno girando, delle belle turbando al riposo, Narcisetto Atoncino d'amor. Delle belle turbando al riposo, Narcisetto Atoncino d'amor. Fra guerrieri può far bacco, gran bustacchi, stretto sacco, schioppo in spalla, sciabla a fianco, collo dritto, muso franco, un gran casco, un gran turbante, molto onor, poco cantante, poco cantante, poco cantante. Ed invece del fandango una marcia per il fango, per montagne, per valloni, con le nevi e salioni, al concerto di tromboni, di bombate e di cannoni, che le barre e tutti i cloni all'orecchio fan fischiar. Non più avrai quei pennacchini, non più avrai quel cappello, non più avrai.
As you can tell from my name, Gadget Lily, I love to collect kitchen gadgets. So I'm going to show you this one I purchased. It's made by Sabre, and this is made in France, and they're known for beautiful design. And this one, it's Sabre. I have a whole collection of their utensils and flatware, so I love this little, the pattern is so beautiful. This actually broke and my husband had to repair it, so this he did a great job repairing it. The next one, this is a vintage pizza cutter, but it's also a server. You could actually cut with this wheel at one end, pick it up with the spatula, and then actually push this little button to serve the pizza onto the plate. And this was made in Hong Kong, but it's vintage, and I think it's probably from the 60s or 70s. This one I purchased in Paris, and it's Doloron, and I think that's how you pronounce it. A restaurant supply store, and it was one of Julia Child's favorite stores or shop. And you actually cut the pizza like this, and it kind of, you can rock back and forth. This one is an Ikea purchase. Ikea makes great kitchen gadgets. It's very ergonomic, and it has this little blade here to rest your finger, and really gives you the leverage to cut the pizza, to slice the pizza. Very inexpensive. It's probably under $2 or maybe about $2. And the latest one that I purchased is this from a Japanese store. And this is quite a beautiful design. You can, after you use it, you could actually stand it up, and the holding portion is also very ergonomic, and you slice it this way, and it's not very sharp here, but yet it does a beautiful job slicing. So these are my pizza slicing gadgets that I have, and I really enjoy owning kitchen gadgets.